Would you like to be able to program, or simply format your Appian files in Notepad++? Join me in this mini tutorial from the Appian Hacks series, where I teach you how to install the Appian plugin in Notepad++. Let's get started. The first thing is to look for the name of the plugin in Google. We can find it directly in the Appian App Market. On the screen it quickly shows us the option to download, but that version is not the best, so what we have to do is go down a bit to the comments, until we find the one made by Mike. Copy all the code and put it in a blank Notepad tab. Then save it in XML format. The next step is to go to the Language tab and click on Define our own language. Then import the newly created file. Restart Notepad. Then go back to the Language menu where you will find the Sail option, which is the name of the language or framework that Appian uses and also owns. Here's some code for an Appian interface that I'll use for a further video. Selecting Sail immediately changes the format by adding colors to different parts of the code, much like the native editor does. I hope this Appian hack has worked for you, and if you have any questions or suggestions, do not hesitate to contact me. See you in the next video.